VoIP in a way is similar to video conferencing that we just looked at in the last video. It is voice over IP, and it's used primarily for digital telephone service. But like video conferencing, there is a plethora of companies and protocols that it can be used. So VoIP relies on a high-speed network connection. You can't really do VoIP if you have a very low-speed network connection or internet connection. VoIP may be limited to your local network, or it may act over the internet. So again, it all depends on the company that puts it in and the protocols they use and what you choose and how much you pay and things like that. So VoIP may be limited to other VoIP phones. You can have in your organization a lot of VoIP phones, and you can only initiate and have conversations within that set of phones. Or you can allow transfer to other carriers and so on. So the upshot, the tremendous variety, and your carrier will you're going to need your carrier to be involved intimately with the choices that you make, the services that are available, the price you pay, the installation of these systems, and so on.